I tell you how excited I am to be the MC for this grandiose event. Before I get started, I want to ask you guys, what do they have in Houston? The Astros. What do they have in Dallas? The Cowboys. What do they have in San Antonio? The Spurs. What do they have in Austin? UT. What do they have in the RGV? Professional boxing.
Vamos señores, hay tiro en Edinburg, Texas. Nelson, Hoghead Hamptons. Vámonos, McAllen, Texas versus San Benito, San Bene, Ricardo. Vamos señores, hay tiro. This is the main event tomorrow night. Vámonos, que se haga el tiro. Ahí quedó señores, los dos exactamente en el mismo peso. Face to the front, guys. There you have it, guys. Face to face. Vamos a empezar con el de casa. There you go, calientita, señores, calientita. Hay tiro mañana. GT Promotions, bringing you the best fights. This is backyard. He's gonna take it all. Ladies and gentlemen, two young prospect at his best, face to face, tomorrow night. Vámonos, face the people. Que salga, hay tiro, señores, vámonos.
Ready to take pictures and upload to your social media. We are live on media accounts. We're almost sold out, but we do have a few tickets, maybe a table or two.
There you go, guys.
Camp, I didn't get hurt. And again, thank you all for guys coming out here, supporting your local team here. Thanks to Team Camacho for being here and accepting the fight, and they just went through a great fight. I have to say.
Vámonos, de que sí, Peter, always bien respetuoso, bien amable, pero arriba del ring, I've seen him, esa right hand, Peter, está pesada. Camacho, vete de San Benito, Texas, campeón. What do you have to say to the people in Edinburg, especially to Pedro El Lobo Banderas?
Thank God for letting me be here. I'm here to win. I fight to win. I had a great time.
How old are you, champ?
He missed weight, so I need more money.
Oh, there you go. He missed weight. He needs more money. Right in the face. So we're gonna have a face-off. This fight is gonna be.
Texas contra Cuba.
Thank you, gentlemen, please face.
There you have it, guys. Edinburg, Texas, 21 years old. Roll the view. Señores, esta es tu primer pelea profesional. This is your pro debut, guys. San Benito, what are you expecting on your pro debut in Edinburg, Texas?
I'm coming for the win, I'm coming for the knockout. I'm coming to put on a show.
How was your camp for this pro debut?
What was that?
Your camp training?
Oh, it was amazing.
Who were your sparring partners?
Right here, my man, James De La Rosa.
Ladies and gentlemen, James De La Rosa, ex-professional fighter from the show. How are you? That's your brother. Well, this guy and I used to spar. I don't remember you. Showtime HBO, muy profesional. ¿Cómo te has preparado en este campamento para tu debut profesional?